So today I am using a Moto phone, and in this video I will show you how to properly unlock and relock the bootloader on any Moto device. Many Moto users face problems and even permanently brick their devices when they try to relock the bootloader, and sometimes their phones do not start correctly after that. This usually happens because the process is not done in the right way. In this video, I will walk you through the correct and safe method. This video is divided into two parts. First, we will relock the bootloader, and after that, we will see how to unlock it again. So let us start with relocking. Here I am using a Moto G72, and I have installed an Android 16 GSI on this device. In the developer options, you can see that my bootloader is currently unlocked. To work with the bootloader, let us move to the PC screen. On your PC, search for Lenovo Rescue Tool. And from the results, open the official Lenovo website. Download the Lenovo Rescue Tool. It is only available for Windows, so if you are using a Mac, you will not be able to install it. After downloading, install the tool on your PC. When you open the tool, it will ask you to log in. You can log in using Google or with your Moto account. Choose whichever option you prefer. After logging in, you will land on this page. Here you need to select your device, which is phone in our case. You will see multiple connection options like Fastboot and IMEI. I am choosing Fastboot because we need the phone to be in Fastboot mode anyway. Now connect your phone to the PC using a USB cable. Next, boot the phone into Fastboot mode. Press and hold the volume down and power buttons together. This will take you to the Fastboot screen. Here you can see that the flashing status is unlocked, and this is what we are going to change. Once the phone is in Fastboot mode, the Lenovo Rescue Tool will automatically detect the device. As you can see, my phone is now listed in the tool, along with its model and firmware details. In my case, the tool already shows the rescue button because the firmware is already downloaded. On your system, you will first see a download button. You must download the official firmware for your device before you can continue. When the rescue button appears and your phone is connected in Fastboot mode, click it to begin the flashing process. You will see a warning that all user data will be erased. Accept this and continue. Do not try to keep your data during this process, because incomplete flashes can cause boot loops or system corruption. This flashing process rewrites all critical partitions and restores the full partition layout to the factory state on both slot A and slot B. Just wait until the process finishes completely. I'm fast-forwarding this part since it takes a bit of time to complete. The flashing process is now complete and the phone is booting up. While that's happening, let me download the tools we'll need to relock the bootloader. Open your browser and download the Android platform tools from the official Android developer website. Once the download is finished, you'll receive an archive file. Go ahead and extract it. Open the Extracted Platform Tools folder. Then click on the address bar and type CMD. This will launch the command prompt directly inside that folder. The phone has now finished booting up. Complete the initial setup process and navigate to developer options. As you can see, the phone is back on stock firmware, and the bootloader remains unlocked. Now we need to enable USB debugging. Grant the connection permission when prompted. Now let's head back to the command prompt. With the phone still connected, type ADB devices. If everything is configured correctly, you'll see your device serial number displayed. Now type ADB reboot bootloader. This command will reboot the phone back into Fastboot mode. Once you're in Fastboot mode, type Fastboot OEM lock. This will display the bootloader lock screen on your phone. Use the volume buttons to navigate and select Lock the bootloader. After the bootloader is locked, don't reboot the phone just yet. While still in Fastboot mode, use the volume buttons to switch to recovery mode. You'll see the dead Android screen appear. To enter recovery, press and hold the power button, then tap volume up once, and release both buttons. The recovery menu will now appear on your screen. Use the volume buttons to navigate through the menu and the power button to confirm your selection. Select Wipe Data and Factory Reset. Once the process is complete, reboot the phone. The first boot may take a bit longer than usual, so be patient. The phone has now booted successfully, and as you can see, the bootloader is fully relocked on this Moto phone. Now let's move forward and see how to unlock the bootloader. I'm using a Moto Edge 50 Pro running Android 15, but this process works the same regardless of your Android version. First, we need to enable developer options. Go to About Phone, find Device Identifier, and tap on Build Number 7 times. This will unlock developer options. Now go to System Settings and find the newly enabled developer options. Turn on two important settings: OEM unlocking and USB debugging. Open the Platform Tools folder and type CMD in the address bar. This opens the command prompt. Connect your phone to the PC and type ADB devices. Allow ADB permission on both your phone and PC firewall. Run the same command again. You should now see your phone detected in ADB with its serial number displayed. Type ADB Reboot Bootloader. This will restart your phone in fast boot mode. Leave your phone in fast boot mode and open the bootloader unlocking page on Motorola's support website. I'll provide the direct link in the description. Sign in with your Google account or Motorola account. After signing in, scroll down and copy this command. Paste it in your command prompt while your phone is connected in Fastboot mode. This command will return your unlock data. Copy this data and paste it into a text editor. Remove the bootloader text and any extra spaces, just like I'm doing here. Copy the cleaned unlock data and paste it back into the Motorola website's text field. Make sure there are no extra spaces. Then click Can My Device Be Unlocked? The system will check if your device can be unlocked. If yes, you'll see a Request Unlock Key button. If not, you'll get a message saying your device isn't eligible. After requesting the unlock key, Motorola will send it to your Gmail account. I received mine instantly, but it might take some time for you. Check your Gmail for the unlock key email from Motorola. The email also contains a URL that takes you back to the Motorola site for the final step. Copy this command, Fastboot OEM unlock. Paste it in the command prompt and add the key from your email. After running this command, your phone will ask to unlock the bootloader. Use the volume buttons to navigate and select Unlock Bootloader with the power button. You'll now see an unlocked indicator in Fastboot mode. Power on your phone and complete the setup. Enable developer options again. You'll notice the bootloader status now shows unlocked. Now you have seen both sides of the process, how to safely relock the bootloader and how to unlock it again when you need to. If you follow these steps exactly, you can switch between locked and unlocked states on a Moto phone without risking a brick. If this video was useful, Make sure to like it and subscribe for more clear and practical Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.